Take a pick or a small screwdriver and just take this cover off. Get behind there, slide that out. Take a T20 socket, take these 2 screws out. Remove this cover right here, take a little pick, just get underneath here. Take this screw out, use the same T20. There's 2 Phillips head screws right here and right here underneath. Take those out with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now go around the outside of the door panel, take a trim tool, and just pop some of the push pins out. Grab the panel and just slide up. You can disconnect the connectors right here. Just like that. There's a connector right here, just push down on the lock tab. And 1 more, so 3 connectors. Release the door cable. You can use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here, release the tab, and then just slide it out, just like that. There's 2 push pins, there's 1 on this side, 1 on the inside. Just take a trim tool, just get underneath it. If it pops off like that, that's fine. And just take this trim, and just gently slide it out. There's a little clip right there that holds that on. Disconnect the connector, take a straight blade tool, just get underneath here and unlatch it. Take these 3 10mm bolts out, use a 10mm socket. When you take the last one out, make sure you support the mirror. Grab the mirror and slide it out. With the new mirror, you have a separate cover. You can either put it on like this, black, or you can have this painted to match the color of the car, and then just latch it to the mirror itself. There's clips on the back of this. You can attempt to take your old one off, and hopefully these clips don't break, and try to put it on the new mirror if you want. Just gonna take a trim tool, just get underneath here, try to pop out the clips, just carefully. And pop that out. Those are some of the clips, and right there. This one broke a little bit, but that's okay. Take it, slide it over the new mirror housing, line it up, and lock it down. And there we go. Take the mirror, slide it in position, get the bolts started, tighten down the bolts, connect the connector, lock it in place, take this trim piece, line it up, push that push pin back in, and just slide this underneath. Go underneath the weather stripping and put those push pins back in. Take this door cable and slide it in position and just lock it in place. Connect these connectors. Lock them down and line this up. Make sure the lock rod goes through here. And get the door pins lined up. That's good. I'll put the screws in underneath here. All right. I'll put this screw back in here and tighten it down. Line this cover up and lock it in, and put these two screws in. Tighten them down. And put the cover over. Lock it down.